Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
When After Effects cannot find source files, it shows a red missing placeholder in the project panel and timeline. Identify every missing item by sorting or filtering by status. Select an item and use file replace footage file to point the project to a new source file, which preserves layer links and effects. If you need to archive or move a project, use file dependencies collect files to copy all linked items into one folder, including proxies and footage, ready for transfer or backup. When relinking, keep original file names and extensions intact because After Effects attempts automatic relink by matching names and paths. Always match frame rates and resolution, for example 1920x 1080 at 24 FPS, so footage interprets correctly and avoids timing or scale errors in compositions. Use the project panel search bar to filter by file name, type, or missing status for fast relinking, and manually replace any remaining items via File Replace Footage file to ensure comps and pre-comps retain their references. For heavy projects, use proxies. Create lower resolution proxies, such as 960x 540, for original 4K files to speed previews and reduce disk cache pressure. Establish a strict folder structure and versioning scheme like Asset v01, MOV and Asset v02. MOV so you can swap updates without breaking links, and keep source folders mirrored across Collaborate drives. When handing off or archiving, run file dependencies, collect files, or an automation script to consolidate and relink assets, and clear or manage the media and disk cache to avoid stale cached footage references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.